Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what you got for us, man?
Don't be a manipulator.
Okay, thanks for joining us for 5 Minute Friday, everybody. I hope you have a great weekend. We'll catch you next time. Nope.
Don't use manipulative tactics to get the work done.
Yeah.
It's not worth it. You want to sleep at night. Don't be that person. And you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about.
We are guilty of this in the construction industry.
Yeah.
We use manipulative tactics all the time. Comes in the form of lying, comes in the form of half-truths, comes in the form of using emotion and anger and bad words and even good words to get one over on somebody. You're fluffing them up and being all nice. You can get maybe some intel out of them. You're fluffing them up and being all nice, so maybe you can suck up to them and get something from them. This comes in the form of donuts on Friday sometimes. We are manipulative in the construction industry. And I mean, for the most part, the construction industry would work very well if we were very logical and we made decisions based on best paths and not the donuts we got or the friend that was rubbing our shoulders for 5 seconds.
Why you got to bring the donuts into this, man? All right. What do donuts ever do to you? All right. Like, those are my friends.
They make me fat. That's what they do to me.
Yeah, they do.
They make me fat. They go straight to the hips, you know?
They make me so happy. That's why my hips don't fit in this chair, honestly.
I do miss Riles from down the road, but Donut Rant,
Bro,
over.
come on.
Please,
Donut
Rant.
Back to manipulation.
Yes.
All right.
Do you see how manipulative donuts could be in somebody's life? Like how much emotion is being solicited here by
how much lack of judgment.
Just a pastry, man.
Just a little lapse in judgment. Just,
Just a
little pastry just made
sugar
you.
coma on a 10 o'clock Friday morning.
Wow, sir.
And you award to the wrong vendor. I'm telling you, man, this manipulative thing
serious.
is there. And it comes, the scheduling thing, I think scheduling, it happens a ton there.
So much.
And who you're going to buy from and different things like that. I mean, the whole salesmanship thing is there as well. But I mean, when it comes to how you're getting business done, try to be a straight shooter.
Yeah.
Just be somebody if you feel like you need to evaluate all of the stories you've told this week and make sure that you have them in line for the next time that you talk to that person.
You might be a manipulator.
You might be a manipulator. You might be lying to people a little too much there, right? So, I mean, go back and read some fables or something from grade school that told you lying's bad and don't do the thing. Don't do the thing. Don't be a manipulator. Be a straight shooter.
You will be found out.
You will be found out.
You will be found out, and you will have a trail of just wreckage behind you.
I think people get along or away with this for
years and years and years.
Long periods of time.
Because we allow it too.
Yeah, we enable each other. We enable each other, and it's almost an understanding of I'm going to get one over on you, or this is just how we operate, which is just crappy. It's really bad that we deal with each other that way.
Yeah.
And we're just accepting of it. Oh yeah, this is just how you do business. You lie about the schedule and tell them 3 weeks before you actually need the thing instead of being forthright with them.
Yeah.
You slip something in that's a little bit of a half truth so that you get what you need. That you get, you tell them something about the number. You tell them something about the neighbor sub. You do a little something with the bidding that's a little funny. Whatever it is to get, your way, to get what you need. And it's just not the way we need to operate and function. And there's so much room for this in construction. There's just a lot of no man's land where somebody can operate in a very manipulative or I'll say, I don't want to say immoral.
It's dynamic. Like the entire construction process is super dynamic and it's based on word of mouth, right? So it's very easy to get into that game of just tweak it just a little bit instead of just saying, here you go. Here you go. This is what I'm thinking right here, right now. And no, man, this isn't just construction. This is all through life, right? People manipulating in general. We see this in our personal lives too.
For sure.
So this is a call to say, just be honest, be honest, be honest. And I would rather be the one that is manipulated than the manipulator. That means I might get hurt on the way, but at least I can live with myself there.
Yeah. Yeah. I do kind of get what you're saying there, because there are times where I will go ahead and take the path of innocence.
Yep.
In order to just lay my head on the pillow at night and feel a little better about who I am. That I understand that somebody might be trying to get one over on me. And it's not that I just turn the brain off and act dumb.
No.
But there are times when like I might think you're sandbagging me on a schedule.
Yeah.
But I just go on and I get my part done. Yeah. I do my thing.
Yep.
And I show up when I said I was going to show up. And then maybe next time you'll be convinced that Eddie shows up on time. That's what he does. Mm-hmm. So be the person that shows up on time.
Yeah.
Be the person that does it right. Be the person that doesn't sweep it under the rug. Be the person that brings it up and gets the problem taken care of. Mm-hmm. So, crud, this could happen. And I mean, scope of what you do, the products you install, the safety you observe while you're out on site, the timesheets that you've got to fill out. There are just so many ways you can manipulate the system. Don't be a manipulator. Be a straight shooter.
Yeah. Good stuff, man. Yeah. This is one that the entire industry needs to hear.
For sure.
It's just a reminder, because we're all prone to do this. Like, we all have that capacity to tweak the truth just a little bit. But again, it's just not worth it. And it's hurting the entire industry. It's hurting you. It's hurting the people around you. So yeah, stop doing it. Well, guys, there you go. There you have it. Hopefully that allows you to go out and build something awesome. See you next time.